Hello, Frothers. Welcome back again. It's been almost more than 6 or 7 months of me uploading video because I was occupied with my other work, other stuff, and I thought of yesterday I heard a news and I was very much broken on it. Even though there was no relation or there was no direct connection, but still it was depressing me, or it was basically giving me a low feeling. I was feeling very much low since afternoon because even you might have gone through the same thing, right? So it's all about Sushant doing a suicide, and everyone is saying it is all because of depression. And since lockdown, this thing is increased. So even you might have listened about other artists as well. It is not about only artists, or it can be for the businessman as well, or it can be a normal layman. Okay, so depression is something which each and every individual go through in different phase of life. Maybe in the school days you might have gone through a depression because you were compared between your colleagues by your parents, or in your college days as well you might have gone through a depression, maybe because you didn't got a girlfriend, or you didn't got a boyfriend, or you are not good at studies. So there are a number of reason to enlist your depression thing. So depression is something which each and every one would go through. So how to overcome this? This is one of the thing which many people fail to address. Okay, so overcoming depression is something very important, and many of us do not share because we feel that what others will feel or what others will think. This is one of the factor because of which we do not share our concern. We do not update our personal things to others, maybe our friends or family. Being reserved won't help us. Being a bit open or being a bit concerned about your phase which you are going through, you can at least share with your friends. If you are not able to share with your friends, I have the best suggestion for you. You can write a diary. Whatever you're feeling, whatever you're going through, how bad you're going through your phase. You might be going through a financial crisis, or you might be going through other family pressure. There would be different types of depression which you would be going through. So one best thing is, like I'm recording one thing. You can record and speak with yourself. This is one of the best solution which I can give it to you. So if you are recording it and speaking with yourself, there would be a little bit of lightened heart you would feel. And the second option is writing. You can definitely carry a diary, and whenever you are feeling sad, it's not only for depression, or whenever you are feeling sad or low, you can note down, because that can be your best friend to you. I have already advised in my past video as well, but this is very important, which I am following since almost 2004. So it's been 14 years which I am following. So whenever I am low, I write a diary. I write what exactly I am feeling, and now my diary seems to be a best friend for me. So no matter if you're not secured in sharing your information with your colleagues, with your friends, with your family, you can share it with your diary, personal diary. So you can mention about about your feelings, what you are going through, or else you can start writing a blog in in any kind of anonymous thing. Okay, so what exactly are you feeling? Even though people won't entertain, but it would definitely lighten your heart. This is one of the best suggestions which I can give, and you can even try it from your end. And yes, suicide is something which I would say that it's a murder by the family member, by the friends, by overlooking other person's feeling. Yes, if you're feeling that somebody who requires your assistance, your shoulder, or somebody who requires your helping hand, no matter it should not be that financial help itself, but your moral help, your mental presence with them is very important. You can say that I am there with you. That is the only word which would acknowledge and which would make the burden a bit low. Yeah, it is just a suggestion from my end. You can try following it. Thank you. Cheers.